plane spotting, train spotting. We're gonna do truck spotting. Kapitanski Bartavoi Journal 108.272.236.317.767. Rugăciune de luni. Doamne Iisus Hristoase, cu adâncă umilință recunosc și mărturisesc că în toată ziua păcătuiesc contra iubirii tale. Rugăciune la începerea lucrurilor. Doamne Iisus Hristoase, Fiul unul născut a Tatăl cel fără de început, care în Sfânta ta Evanghelie. Good morning, people. We are at the unloading place. Today didn't start all great. I woke up early. I tried to do a run, but after 2 kilometers my shin and my muscle just acted up again on the left leg, and I had sharp pain in the knee, and I couldn't run. I had to walk back to the truck. I'm very frustrated and disappointed, and I don't know what to do. Like, I gave the leg like 5 days rest and put some ice at home and some creams and stuff like that. I'm just with the left leg, I'm running flat-footed instead of like doing a roll. I'm like a boom, 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 and I don't know why. Maybe how I sit in the truck. I cannot explain myself. Like, August was great. I could run, I could do everything, and then September, maybe I took a too much break in the first 2 weeks. That might have something to do with it. But I tried running. Okay, I said, okay, even though my body says I can run at a certain pace, let's run slower, a lot slower. And still doesn't work. Still my shin hurts a lot. So I don't know what to do. I don't want to give up because I want to do the half marathon, even though I'm not going to win the bet. I think that's a kind of far gone conclusion. I still have some slimmer hopes, but not too much. And I don't know what to do. I don't want to go to a doctor to do a scan and stuff like that. I don't like that. So we'll see. Anyway, just started the program, unloading, and then we're gonna try to reach Winnipeg, Flying J Winnipeg. Then there, tomorrow morning, I'm gonna try to run again because I have a path that I like to run there, and we'll see how it goes tomorrow. And then we do Winnipeg to this is gonna be difficult because Winnipeg to Kapuskasing was easy in Max, but not so easy in Bob. So I'm gonna try to reach Hearst at least. We'll see. If I cannot reach Hearst, then Long Lac. Anyway, talk to you later. See you on the stream. First stop done in Medicine Hat. I still feel dejected about the running thing, and now also about these new glasses, and they're still pathetic. They do nothing, or almost nothing. And I'm not gonna reach Winnipeg, which is crazy for me anyway, but we keep plowing, so it is what it is. good evening, people. A bunch of you are like into plane spotting, train spotting. We're gonna do truck spotting. I'm in Balgonie, pilot Flying J, and before I go to sleep I'm gonna try to put this video out and see if we can find some interesting trucks. An old Pete, an international, which I despise, a Pete with a big bull bar. Man, these bull bars I really like. Look how massive it is. And it has some lights also. Manitoba. Yes. Banner truck. This is a Kenny. Yes, Kenworth. Anything else after? I love these Western Stars. I wouldn't like to drive them because I think they're Freightliners, but that's usually where I run, and that way. Nothing special. Another big bar on a pit with some stacks. I think that's how they call them. I love me a red truck. I don't know. It's a little bit chilly tonight. Today was a pathetic day by my standards. Not that I am like anything special, but I did 770 kilometers. That is nothing. So nice bull bar on Freightliner. Nice tanker. Yeah, the day started. I slept 6 hours, which in most cases is enough for me, and it was good. I slept good, and I think the day started bad when first thing I tried to do is run, because I said, okay, I'm gonna leave my leg alone for 5 days, which I did at home. Did some ice compressions at home, stuff like that, or cold compressions, and I was hoping the leg would be okay, my left leg, and starting running because I knew like Flying J in pilot I have a trail that I run, and 2 kilometers in, that was it. I shot pain in my left leg, like the tibia, and after the tibia the muscle around the tibia, and then I couldn't roll the leg and I was stomping in again, and then soon after spikes in my I have to review this. I have the opportunity to review a Volvo, but I'll have to see when I have time. So yeah, I fucked up my leg, something bad, I do not know what. I might have this is a bigger bull bar. Holy crap, this guy is not afraid of a moose or anything. So I think they're called tibia shins or split shins, and I put my hands around like the tibia and it's like wavy around, and I think maybe I forced myself a little bit on August with 100 kilometers in that month, and because I'm hefty, I'm still over 100 kilograms. Maybe my left leg said, yeah, no, we're not doing that. So at the moment I do not know what to do, or maybe tomorrow morning I'll try again, but I like even now when I'm walking I can feel it there, like it's not painful, but I feel it, right? So yeah, not ideal, and I was really disappointed and I'm angry at myself because I wanted to continue, like I didn't want to be a bitch and give up, but I was a bitch and gave up, and such is life. So then I started driving with that mindset, and then the unloading and loading took more than I wanted, and then I realized that 103 kilometers an hour is not enough to make 1300 kilometers in 13 hours, so I needed to average 100, which with 103 you're not gonna average 100. So yeah, that was pretty, and I know I should be positive. I'm working on that. I'll be positive mindset, but I'm frustrated because of this running thing. I would like to do the half marathon, maybe not both of them, because in this scenario I don't think I can do both, but I want to do at least one. It's mandatory that I do at least one, so end of November we'll see. Here's a FedEx truck. Western, usually they're Fedliners or Volvo. Okay, so yeah, all day I was thinking of my running thing and my but again, I'm big hypocrite, right? I was thinking all day of my running and what can I do to be more healthy and stuff like that, and then I took comfort food that Flying J in Medicine had. I took pizza. So that's me being stupid, but yeah, we live and learn. Tomorrow is gonna be a better day, I hope. Tomorrow we're gonna try to reach Standard Bay, which is a stretch. But it's a big stretch, but hopefully we get lucky. Well, tomorrow we need a little bit of luck. I looked at a bunch of changing subjects. I looked at a bunch of reviews at Volvo, of these new Volvos, and I'm not gonna say I'm gonna do a better job because I never reviewed anything in my life like for video, but I didn't like any of them. I don't know why. Maybe I'm too pretentious, or maybe I'm just retarded. Who knows? We'll see. Anyway, so except some big bull bars, and this is cute. Western in a different colors and shape. This is for oversized load. Yeah. So this is about the truck spotting that we're gonna do. We're not gonna truck spot more, because then you're gonna truck spot Bob. So we don't need you to spot Bob for obvious reasons. So too many so's. Anyway, thank you for keeping me company on the live stream. Some discussions took my mind off my mind off my mindset, my mind off like the disappointment of today. Again, on my own fault. And yeah, see you tomorrow. Peace.